Hey there and welcome to this channel. If you love PayPal money, if you want to earn with PayPal as your payment method, then you clicked the right video because today I will be walking you through all the steps on how to make money online where we can earn PayPal money. Unlike the other methods that I've shown you for the past videos, this method right now, this strategy requires a bit of work. But not really a lot of work. But even though this method requires a bit of work, I will be showing you a website which is actually free that could help us earn money with this. And that is the exact reason why I don't want you to skip this video. So stay with me until the end so you won't miss out on important details and so that you can do this properly. Because when you go straight to the website and do this on your own, you might end up not earning anything at all. And we don't want that to happen. So please be patient for a couple of minutes. And after you do this, after we finish this video, you can now start earning money online. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where I teach you guys the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload making money videos online. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, so we are here on our first website. This website is the most cost-effective marketing tool. This is a social media managing website, which means they help you grow and manage your social media accounts. And yes, they do it automatically. Now you might be asking, do you need a social media account in order to earn with this method? The answer is no, you don't actually need a social media account. You don't even need money to start, which means you won't be spending anything at all because this is absolutely free. In order for this method to work and in order for you to have better results, you need to know everything about Social Pilot or almost everything. So yes, the name of this website is Social Pilot and this is over at socialpilot.co. Not com, not .com, but .co. So that is socialpilot.co. So here on Social Pilot, there is no limit as to how many social media accounts you can add. Add all your social media accounts and then some. Post all your updates without ever worrying about running out of limits. Go beyond the popular social networks to increase engagement and leads with #1 social media scheduling and publishing tool. And then right here, powerful social media analytics and white label PDF reports with one click. Make data-driven decisions to improve engagement and fine-tune your social media strategy. Download and share beautiful and presentable social media reports in PDF format with just one click. We also have here engage efficiently with social inbox. So you can reply to all your comments, messages, and posts on multiple Facebook pages in real time with Social Pilot. So you can monitor everything with Social Pilot without the hassle. You can also collaborate with teams and manage clients, and there are a lot more information here below if you want to know more. If you're enjoying the video so far, then don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Now let's go back to the video. Now once you have a knowledge about Social Pilot, what you'll need to do is scroll down to the very bottom of this page right here and then just under company, this part right here, click on affiliate program. Then we'll land on this page right here. You'll see that you will earn 30% recurring commissions for Social Pilot subscription sales. So what that means is that whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and then subscribes to Social Pilot, you will earn 30% of whatever Social Pilot is making from that person. And this works really easy. First, you have to join Social Pilot. This is free. The affiliate program is 100% free, so you don't have to pay anything at all. They will pre-approve all affiliate applications. Second, all you have to do is just advertise. Enjoy a range of promo banners and text link to share anywhere on your website, blog, and social media. And third, our favorite part, earn money. Keep earning 30% commission for every new paid subscription with them. You'll get commission for every renewal. And right here below, you will see the affiliate program details, where the initial deposit is $0. Again, this is for free. Payout requirements is only $50. Minimum balance required for payout. So you have to have at least 2 active customers referred. And don't worry, I'll help you with that. Next, the payout duration. Payments are made once per month for the previous month. And the payment is via PayPal. Now, if you don't have any PayPal account, just go over to paypal.com and create one. It is really easy, it's fast, and you can do it by yourself. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here to plans and pricing, where you can see the plans and how much they are. So right here for the yearly plans, I actually chose yearly because people will save 15% more with the annual plans compared to monthly plans. So, the annual plan prices range from $25.5 to $127.5. Now, I'm going to use $127.5 because we can use this and we can persuade people to buy this plan. Now, let's multiply that by 12 because there are 12 months in a year, right? So, that is $1,530. So that is how much Social Pilot earns from whoever buys this plan yearly. Now let's multiply this by 30% because again, we will earn 30% with this. So that means that we have $459 per year on complete autopilot. You can earn this amount with just one person. Now imagine if you contact 20 people and 10 of them buys your plan or the plan of Social Pilot. So $459 by 10 people, that is $4,590. That's over $4,000, you guys. And that's how much you can earn per year with just 10 people. 10 clicks on your affiliate link. Now, before you proceed to the next step, I want you guys to comment down below which country you come from so that in the future, I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your country. Now, let's go back to the video. Okay, so the next step I want you to do is go back here on the affiliate page and click on Get Started. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to this sign up page, your affiliate sign up page, where you can become a Social Pilot partner and get paid to share Social Pilot with your followers and audience. So what you'll need to do is just enter your first name, last name, valid email address right here, your password, and finally agree to the affiliate terms of this website. Now let's proceed to the next step. Once you're done signing up, you need to log into your account like so. Once you're logged in, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, there are 0 referrals, 0 customers, 0 clicks, and 0 unpaid earnings. Everything is 0 because we have just created this account just for this tutorial. Now, if we scroll down here below, you can see your affiliate link right here. And what's so great about this is that you can use your affiliate link anytime. You can even use it now. So all you have to do is just copy this and then paste it on your social media accounts or on any social media platforms or forums. But today I am going to show you a secret tip where we can find a lot of potential buyers or a lot of potential people who will subscribe to this plan or to Social Pilot's plans. So what I want you to do is go over to this page right here or this website, which is called quickandgigs.com. Again, this is quickandgigs.com. Just like Fiverr or peopleperhour.com, this is a freelancing website. This is a freelance services marketplace. So people from all over the world who are looking for different services come over to this website to hire people do services for them. This website is partnered with PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook, and Unity. So you don't have to worry about anything about this being a scam or whatever because this is not. This is a legit website. Now what we'll need to do is search for social media managing. Type in social media managing right here on the search bar and then click on enter. Then we'll be redirected to this page right here where we can see that a lot of people are offering their services as a social media manager. So don't worry, we are not going to be a social media manager. What we'll do is we are going to refer Social Pilot to these social media managers so that we can make their job easier. Since Social Pilot will help you in managing a lot of different accounts, social media accounts, then this will be totally helpful for them. So what you'll need to do is just you're gonna talk to them, send these people some direct message or emails telling them that you want to help them by offering Social Pilot. They can manage more social media accounts, and if they manage more social media accounts, then they can earn more. You won't need to do the job. All you have to do is just tell them about Social Pilot and that they can benefit from Social Pilot a lot. As you can see in this website alone, you can see that there are a lot of social media managers. How much more if you're going to contact people from Fiverr, from Truelancer, Freelancer, and People Per Hour, which means your opportunity is unlimited. All you have to do is just persuade them into using Social Pilot so that things will be easier for them, and so that every time they click on your link and they purchase a plan from Social Pilot, you will earn money. And that's it! If you learned something from this video and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and the notification bell as well. As always, if you have any concerns or if you have comments and suggestions, just leave it down in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!